In this video, I'm going to show you how to export an animation in Blender quickly and easily. First, make sure your animation is ready inside the Blender. So I have this simple animation, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys. So I'll just drag it here like so and show you my animation. So it is nothing fancy, it's just a simple keyframing steps. Now as you can see, this is my simple animation for the tutorial purpose. So after your animation is ready, just go to the output properties at the right hand side. And once you are in output properties, you can select your resolution. You can go with 1920 by 1080px, which is full HD. Next, make sure to set your frame rate. You can just choose any frame rates to your liking. I'm just gonna go ahead with the 30, and you can select frame range. This controls how much of your animation gets exported. If you want the full animation, just keep the frame start at 1 and send the end frame to wherever your animation finishes. So in my case, the animation finishes in about frame 50, so I'll just set the end frame to 50 like so. Next, we will choose where the video will be saved. Just click on the output folder icon like so, and your file explorer will open. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a folder, which in my case it's going to be Blender, and click on accept. And once that our location is added, you can just go to the media type and just click on the drop down and make sure video is selected if you are exporting animations. Now you can just go to the encoding tab by just clicking on the drop down, and you will see container. Just click on the drop down for container and make sure MPEG 4 is selected like so. And once that is selected, you can also choose the output quality. I suggest leaving it at medium, and you can leave the rest of the setting as default if you are not sure what to change. Now to export, just go to the top menu and click on render, and from here choose the second option, which is render animation. Blender will now start rendering your animation frame by frame. You will see progress in the top left corner, so just wait for the Blender to finish the rendering. Once it's finished, just go to the folder you selected earlier. So in my case, it's going to be the Blender folder. So when I just click on it and go to the properties tab, you will see we have successfully imported our MP4 video file. So now let's go ahead and preview it. And you will see the video will successfully be played. And that's it. That's how you export an animation in Blender quickly and easily. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.